I did a lot of bad things, and never did I give in. Just 'cause the thought of being vulnerable made me feel less than I am. I have never felt home till you entered my door. The best thing I did, and I want you to know, was letting you in. From that moment I knew that you were all I missed. Baby, it took just one kiss.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. I'm so excited to share, guys, today's video. I thought I'd do a little take on some glam pumpkins on some inexpensive cushions. I hope you enjoy. I recently picked up these velvet-like pack of 2 cushions from my local Woolworths. They were just $10. I absolutely loved the texture of these beautiful cushions, guys, but I knew that I had to give them Chelles touch. I printed out this beautiful pumpkin template from Google, and I then cut it out. Now I wanted to make my cushions sparkle, so taking the pumpkin template and my dollar store glitter foam, I'm going to trace out 2 of these. You're going to trace out 2 of these, guys, and then cut them out. Once you had them both cut out, it was now time to decorate them. Now I also had some of this black glitter foam that I wanted to add as well. So I cut out 2 squares, guys, about 7 centimeters by 7 centimeters, and I hot glued them to the center of the pumpkin. I then printed out 2 Chanel logos, and I cut them out and added them to the center of the black glitter foam. Now, as I'm all about decorating so glam, I wanted little glam pumpkins, but they're just impossible to find in a cushion, guys. So I knew I could create a simple DIY and give them that very glam touch. Once everything was secure and in place, I then hot glued the pumpkins to the center of each cushion.
Say you think about me because I'm starting to doubt we will find a way back to each other when you're on the other side of the world. I'm here and I'm waiting, but I know I can't say that we didn't end it for good reason. Still I'm hoping we'll be meeting soon.
Once they were secure and all in place, it was now time to add some extra sparkle. This video wouldn't be a shell video without a lot more glam. So I took these dollar store glitter bows that I picked up at Christmas last year, and I hot glued them to each stem. I also added these beautiful sparkly glam brooches that are from Spotlight Australia, and I hot glued them to the centre of each bow. Guys, what a simple idea to do, but I absolutely love how they came.
I'm feeling so lonely when you never phone me. I put your picture on my windowsill to make myself feel alright. But I knew it would not be easy, spending time apart, and I almost can't believe it. Believe that you're gone, and I don't think this will get better until you come around. I guess that everybody needs some time to figure themselves out. But I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out. Forget about the past. Now time moves slow. I'm not high or low. No, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up. 'Cause without you, everything stops.
Do you have some inexpensive cushions that you're no longer using? Or you could possibly pick up a couple that are on clearance at your local stores. Here is an inexpensive way, guys, of decorating your home glam per season without having to break the bank.
But I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out. Forget about the past. Now time moves slow. I'm not high or low. No, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up. 'Cause without you, everything stops. Without you, everything stops.
With the fall season fast approaching for my overseas friends, I wanted to share an inexpensive way where you could add your own personal touch to something for that season.
Maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on.
Here I wanted to create a pumpkin style cushion, but this cushion could take on so many variations, guys. I could just imagine it as a perfume bottle as well.
Can't get enough of this, being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this, being with you is a never-ending sunshine.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelles, and I'm the creator of Chelles Glam Home.
Sipping on a beer, sing along to our favorite songs. All I want is you. You make my world spin round and round. Sometimes I don't know what to do, 'cause my heart starts racing when I'm with you. Can't get enough of this, being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes.
Don't forget to follow me, guys, over on Instagram. I'm at Chelles Glam Home too, and I'd love for you to follow along where I share daily pictures of decorating my home glam.
A never-ending sunshine.
Leave me a comment down below if you'd like to see me do more glam pumpkin DIYs.
Now I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. Can't get enough of this, being
wanted to say a beautiful thank you to each and every one of you guys. You truly make my heart so happy when you leave me the most beautiful comments. It really does inspire me to keep going and sharing these ideas with you.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at your very own glam pumpkin cushions.
I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer now? 'Cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you.
Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home.
And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
I won't waste this, 'cause no one makes me feel like you do. You make me breathless. Yeah, no one makes me feel like you do. I promise that I